Is it thread safe when using tf.Session in Inference service? Now we have used TensorFlow to train and export a model. We can implement the Inference service with this model just like how TensorFlow-serving does. I have a question about whether the tf.Session object is thread safe or not. If it's true, we may initialize the object after starting and use the singleton object to process the concurrent requests.
The tf.Session object is thread-safe for session.run calls from multiple threads. Before TensorFlow 0.10 graph modification was not thread-safe. This was fixed in the 0.10 release, so you can add nodes to the graph concurrently with session.run calls, although this is not advised for performance reasons. Instead, it is recommended to call ses.graph.finalize before using the session from multiple threads to prevent accidental memory leaks.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.